Hey, it's John Tech here, and this is my first video, and it's about the Fold 3. So before we starting, please hit that subscribe button, that will be much appreciated. And now sit back and enjoy the video. Okay, so now if you're a Samsung fan, a great news awaits for you, and that is the Fold 3 will be the first Samsung phone to has the UPC, which stands for under panel camera. And that is gonna be really impressive because they will finally be able to show us a phone that has the in-screen camera. The Samsung Z Fold 3 will have huge improvements in the design as well as the specs. It will be a wider and thin design, and also if you're talking about the specs, well, it's totally a new big thing, and I'll show you the specs later in this video. But now let's talk about the weight of Z Fold 3. The weight of S21 is 170 grams, while this one over here is 250 grams, which is totally understandable because the Z Fold 3 is way bigger than the S21. There are rumors everywhere that the Z Fold 3 comes with the S Pen. Don't know if it's S Pen or the S Pen Pro, but it will have the built-in Bluetooth, and also it will not damage the screen. Okay, so now let's talk about the specs. So it has 7.6 Dynamic AMOLED 120 refresh rate, 6.2 Super AMOLED, 60 micrometer UTG, which means it will enhance the durability plus nicer touch experience. It has the in-display selfie camera, which is super impressive. 12 megapixel rear cameras, 16 GB RAM with 128, 256, 512 storage. And also it seems like it will be powered by the Snapdragon 875, or it can also be powered by the Exynos, 4600 mAh battery capacity, and with One UI 3.0 Android 11. ICNewer said that we have to wait 5 months to see a Flip 3 and Fold 3, and the price that we can expect is gonna be $2,000 or $2,100 at the launch. So guys, let me know what do you think in the comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.